Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel 3D Diggin' Dirt. This is David. I am coming to you to describe a project that I've been wanting to do for quite some time. I'm going to be 3D printing my own War Machine Mark 6 armor. I got the files from the do3d.com and it's just kind of an update of or an introduction of what I'm going to be doing and kind of update you here on what I've done so far. So to start off, I've been 3D printing since October of 2016. I've done a number of different projects, but this is probably the biggest one that I've ever undertaken. So the printer that I'll be using, I actually have two. One of them's in the other room, but I have a CR6 SE here. This one is from the Kickstarter, the other one I actually got separately. I have a couple of upgrades to them, including the PTFE tubing, some support for the wires, as well as for the PTFE tube. And then I have my Octoprint Raspberry Pi on there with a webcam. So I'm going to be using PLA Plus that I got from LLLDmax.com. They have a great deal that was going on for buy 10 for $8.99 a roll per kilogram of filament. So I thought that was a great way to start off. I'll be using ArmorSmith to actually scale the armor to myself. I've already measured myself and entered that into the program. At some point I'll show you guys how I actually scaled it. And I'm going to be using the scaled armor to then print it out, and hopefully it will fit me at least mostly, and then I can do anything else that I need from there. So let me show you what I have so far. I recently started this project, so far I have the helmet. Now at some point I'm going to be sanding this, putting on some primer, and then painting it in different colors to make it look more realistic. But I have the helmet. The back comes off with magnets. It's held on by magnets. And then the front plate comes off as well. I'm going to be adding some lights in here, doing some electronics, but that hasn't been done yet. I also have the hand printed out. With the different fingers. Again, I need to sand this down. I also plan on adding lights into the palm. This is the only hand that I have so far. And I'm going to connect the fingers so that it doesn't really slide right off like this. I'll sand it down, paint it, make it look a little nicer, fill in any gaps that I have. But that's what I have so far. And I'll be updating. This is update number 1 of hopefully very many parts. And I will be putting out another one. I hope to do it somewhat regularly. I don't know if it'll be every week, every month, but I do plan to continually update everyone on the progress. Like I said, at some point soon I'll be making a video on how I worked with ArmorSmith to actually scale everything so that it fits me, fits my hand, fits my head. And then of course as I add more things, print out more things, I will be updating everyone with that. So hopefully you like what I have going on. I really hope to continually update you guys and that you all like the project that I'm trying to work on. So far I have 10 rolls or 11 rolls of the filament. I'm pretty sure I'm going to need more, so I'll probably order more soon enough, but as of right now with 11 rolls I think I'll be good for a little while. So far I've used up 1 roll and then some for this project with the helmet and the hand. I actually already printed out a hand and then it didn't work, so I had to scrap that. and print out the one that I just showed you guys. There's also been support materials, so it kind of adds up. At some point I'll probably also show you some of my slicer settings to kind of update you guys on how I do it, what my slicer settings are, how quickly it's all printing, what temperatures and everything like that. But really right now it's just a kind of overview of my project, kind of introducing you to the idea that I'll be printing out the War Machine Mark VI armor, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much for listening to this video, and have a nice day.